today's video we are going to be talking about this hair right here from Lynlyshan hair. So as you can see, this hair comes with lashes, a wig cap, a scrunchie, and the wig itself. I actually did not get it in a box because I did order many wigs from this company, and that is okay. So here we go. This is the instructions right here. It comes with a card with all the different info on it and like instructions right here. Okay, we have the wig cap. It is black for some reason. Probably shouldn't have come black, but I mean, it's 13 by 4 and it is very long. Okay, so this is the wig itself. Ew. Okay, so it does come with this factory-like smell to it for some reason. It's very strong. So it's 13 by 4, 4 combs. No, 3 combs right here. So there's a lace in the back, thank God. I really did have to ask them to leave my lace on in the back because they usually cut them off for some reason. So this is the wig right here, and I am running my hands through it for the initial strand test to see if I get any hair. Okay, so there is some hair coming out. I don't know if you can see it. So far the hair does look true to length. The lace is medium brown and not transparent. As you can see, it does not blend in with my skin. Okay, but that's okay. We'll make it work. So I will try on this wig and I'll get back to you. So I have the wig on now and I'm looking at it and like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but their other wigs have this nice pretty hairline, but when I look at this one, it's like a box. Like, why? And there's, like, you're looking at it with me. Why does it have such a box hairline? So I'm gonna have to do some major plucking before I could even wear this. It's probably gonna take me hours. After a major plucking session and after I install this hair, I will get back to you with my final thoughts on this wig. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair right here. I wanted to show you what it looks like straight and what it looks like with the body wave. So I did try my best to pluck that box hairline out. It is not the best, but it is better than what it was looking like. I don't want to pluck too much because now the hairline's starting to look a little bit scanty, but I still can get that box gone. Okay guys, so this is the finished product right here. I did pluck the hairline. As you can see, it is way better than the box cut that it came with previously. Like, oh my god, when I told you I had to do major plucking, I meant major plucking. Like, I was here for 3+ hours, and hold on, let me show you. This much hair had to come out, and I kid you not, this much. So I'm gonna show you a close-up of the lace. There's still some glue left back, but at least you can see how much got plucked out rather than what it was looking like beforehand. Brush it through. So it does glide. There's barely any snags or tangles, but it does shed. It does shed, mostly because, like, you know, I plucked it, so I still have yet to, like, you know, get everything out. But yeah, so that is how it was looking as a body wave, and I tried to bone straight it, but you know, it's like that. I can show you where it is right here on my tippy toes. So it still comes down here and then to the back. If you have any comments or concerns about this wig, be sure to comment them down below and I will try to answer them for you. Alright, like and subscribe. Bye!